LFG Season 4, Series number 4 continuing here tonight. We got some more primetime action here for you. Oh yeah, so it will be the Miami Hurricanes taking on the Georgia Bulldogs. I'm your commentator for tonight, the Cowboy Crab. We are set and ready for this one. Another prime time game here between the. This one will be the Bulldogs and the Hurricanes. We are now officially underway. As it will be the Hurricanes starting tonight here on offense. Alright. Alright, no, the Hurricanes, not Georgia. Alright, there we go. And let's get the predictions up and live. So we got them up. And I'm just going to wait for the ping here. And, oh, Zeus makes his presence known on the field here, taking out somebody. Alright, got the play clock extension here. True teaching of I much appreciate it. Again, Zeus makes his presence on the field. We're continuing to wait for the ping here. Continuing away here. We got a redemption, though, of Broncos Country. Let's ride. Yeah, looks like I got switch. And, oh, got switched again. got another new play. Looks like we're just about to begin here shortly. Alright, here we go now. Fisher underway here, first down. Here we got the check down. Did that switch it to freaking Miami? It's there on offense. It worked that time? Okay, it did. Alright, here we go. 2nd and 6 here for Miami. I believe Caden, your starting quarterback. And a loss of 1 right there. It'll be 3rd and 7 now for Miami. Here we go. 3rd and 7 here for the Hurricanes. Caden fires over the middle. This one is caught. First down. And we gain 28 here for Miami. Here we go. First down here. Caden in the backfield. Caden rolling left side. Caden fires right corner. End zone. It is caught. Touchdown, Miami. Man with a touchdown grab. Extra point. Up and good. 7-0 Hurricanes. Here we go. Now here's the kick. This one up. And now will be a touchback for Georgia. Bulldogs now coming out here on offense. First down for Georgia. Here we go. First down here for the Bulldogs. Graff is starting quarterback here. Graff rolling right side. Graff fires. Right sideline pass incomplete. Feet were not in bounds. 2nd and 15. Graff check down left side. This one is caught. It'll be a first down here for Georgia. Gain of 18. Here we go. First down here for Georgia. Graff fires left sideline. Pass is caught. Gain of 14. Second and 1 here. Run by Graff, gain of 3. First down here. And wait, is that not Graff? No, Esteban apparently the quarterback for Georgia. Gain of 11 off of that one. So let me just double check. I don't think that. Oh, that is Graff. Anyways, Graff touchdown, Georgia. Thought it wasn't in for a second, but it is. And the Bulldogs strike back. Panta Chugger, Ugger Jamie with a touchdown grab right there for the Bulldogs. Yo, extra point is up. And good. 7-7. Go. Here's the kick. This one up and will be turned now. Here for Miami. And yeah, 4 off of that one. Well, loss of 4. At 21 now. First down for Miami. First down for the Hurricanes. Right over the middle. Pass is caught. Big first down for the Hurricanes. He gets the blocks. And it looks like this man is gone. Touchdown, Miami. Bryant with a touchdown grab for the Hurricanes. Caden with the pass over the middle to Brian. And Brian avoids some tackles, gets some blocks, and then he got nothing but green ahead of him. Extra point attempts here for the Hurricanes. Blocked. No good. 13-7, Miami. They had to click one-play touchdown, but I didn't get anything else out of that. And this one will be a touchback for Georgia. First down now here for the Bulldogs. Graf on first down. Graf rolling left side. Graf, pressure, looks like he has somebody wide open over the middle. And he'll still go over the middle to that man I was talking about. Getting 21. First down, Georgia. I think it was Fanta Chugger again. The grab off of that one. First down for Georgia. Graf in the backfield. Graf rolling right side. Graf, pressure. Graf looking to find somebody here. Pump fake by Graf with a little bit of lag right there. Toss left side, incomplete. 2nd and 15 for Georgia. Second down here. Graf in the backfield. Graf. Pressure, trying to find somebody. Graf. Back in the end zone. Fires right sideline. That is not even close. Incomplete. 3rd and 15 for Georgia. We got a third down for Georgia. Third down. Graf in the backfield. Rolling left side. Graf now coming back right side over the middle. Pass is swatted. Incomplete. 4th down, Georgia. Here's the punt unit for the Bulldogs. So the Hurricanes getting back the ball here after a defensive stand. And this ball will be in the end zone. Touchback, Miami. Hurricanes now on offense. Minute 40 to go. We go first down here. Caden. Oh, his pass swatted by the D lineman. 2nd and 15 for Miami. Second down. Caden in the backfield. Hayden over the middle. Pass caught again. 25. First down, Miami. Go. First down for the Hurricanes. Caden in the backfield. Caden, pressure. Rolling left side. Caden dropping back now, cutting back right side. Caden in the end zone. Caden fires. Left side, intercepted! The pressure got to Caden right there, and he just had to get the ball off. He goes to the left side check down man and just dives in front of it for the interception for the Bulldogs. First down now here for Georgia. First down for the Bulldogs. Graf rolling left side. Graf with pressure. Graf fires over the middle. Pass is caught. Gain of 8. Second down, Georgia. Got a new play here. 40 seconds left to go. 2nd and 7 for Georgia. Second down here. Graf in the backfield. Graf rolling left side. Graf pressure, looking to find somebody here. Graf now cutting back right side. Graf fires. This one is... He jumped and missed it. 3rd and 7 for Georgia. The check down man jumps the pass. That could have been an easy first down. 3rd and 7 for Georgia. Graf in the backfield. Graf rolling left side. Goes check down man. This one is caught. First down, Georgia. And 13. Here we go. First down here for Georgia. Graf in the backfield. Graf rolling left side. Graf looking to find somebody going to run it here. Gain of 7 for the Bulldogs. We got to start the second quarter, folks. 13-7, Miami leads. But the Bulldogs relatively close in scoring position here. 2nd and 8 here. Graf goes left side. Pass is caught. Short of the first down. Will be 3rd and 2. Here we go. 3rd and 2 for Georgia. Graf. Quick pass. End zone. Caught. Touchdown, Georgia. chili cheese bun with the touchdown grab for the Bulldogs. We're tied at 13. Extra point attempt here. Take the lead. And they got it. 14-13. Georgia up by 1. Here we go now. Here's the kick. This one up and will be touchback for Miami. Boinky. Thank you for the follow, much appreciate it. Here we go. First down for Miami. Caden, check down right side. Pass caught, gain of 3. Second down, Miami. Second and 12 for the Hurricanes. Caden rolling left side. Caden, pressure. That's an incomplete pass right there. Broncos country. Let's ride. Third and 12 for Miami. Third and 12. Caden in the backfield. Caden over the left side. Pass caught. Gain of 14. First down, Hurricanes. Here we go. First down now. Caden in the backfield. Caden fires left side here. This one swatted. Oh, almost intercepted. Second down now for Miami. Second 15 here. Caden in the backfield. Caden rolling right side. Caden, deep shot left side. It is on the ground again. Third down, Miami. Here we go, third down. Caden rolling right side. Caden looking for somebody here. Caden over the middle. This one is caught. First down, Miami. Gain 23. First down for the Hurricanes. Caden in the backfield. Caden, pressure. Rolling left side. Caden, check down pass. Caught by Bahet, no gain. Second 15 for Miami. We go, second 15 here. Caden rolling right side. Check down passes. Caught. Gain of 17. First down, Miami. We go, first and 15 here. Caden rolling right side. Caden fires. End zone. It is caught. Touchdown, Miami. Hurricanes back in the lead. Whippa with the touchdown grab. Two-point attempt for Miami. They fake it. Oh! They get it. The screen faked, and Caden takes it in himself. Two-point conversion. Good. 21-14. Here we go now. Here's the return for Georgia. And gets to the 25. First down, Bulldogs. Go. First down for Georgia. Graff in the backfield. Graff with pressure. Graff in the end zone here. Graff. Deep shot. Left side is incomplete. Second down, Georgia. Second 15 for the Bulldogs. Go second down here. Graff in the backfield. Graff. Fires over the middle. This one is caught. First down, Georgia. Gain of 20. First and 15 here. Graff rolling right side. Graff. Pressure. Toss this one up right side. It is incomplete. Second down. Second 15. And we got a play clock extension here. Alright, while they do this, I'm going to go get a drink. I'll be right back. gotta be kidding me. I missed an interception. I went to go grab a drink because I thought they were doing a longer play clock extension. Instead, Whippa gets a pick. Incredible. First down now here for Miami. Here we go now. First down for the Hurricanes. Caden in the backfield. Caden. Deep shot left side here for Whippa. Incomplete. Second down. Second down here. Caden in the backfield. Caden rolling left side. Caden in the end zone. Check down left side. It's caught. Gain of 8. Here we go. 3rd and 7 here for Miami. Caden in the backfield. Caden with pressure. Caden rolling right side. Caden, deep shot right side. It is caught. First down, Miami. First and goal for the Hurricanes. First and goal. Caden rolling left side. Caden. I'm going to find somebody else. Check down, almost intercepted. Second and goal for Miami. Second and goal. Caden. Okay, I was on the ground right there. I can't even lie. 3rd and goal for the Hurricanes. Not 100% sure where he was throwing that one. But on 3rd and goal here, Caden looking to find somebody here. Caden rolling in the backfield on the right side now. Caden looking to find somebody. He's got pressure. Where did that pylon go? Caden. He's running out of time here. I think we passed the woman a warning here. Left corner, finally. It's caught. Touchdown, Miami. Well, I guess you could say it was worth the wait. Whippa with the touchdown grab. Would you say that was worth the wait, folks? I don't know. 39 seconds now left on the clock. Extra point attempts for Miami. Up. Good. 28-14, Miami. Here we go now. Here's the kick. This one up and will be not going to be in the end zone. They're going to have to take it here. And it'll get, I think, to the 21. Heavy hit stick right there. First down, Georgia. Graf down by 2 possessions. About 30 seconds to go right before halftime. Graf rolling left side. Graf check down right side is too high. Swatted on the ground. Incomplete. 2nd and 15 for Georgia. Go, second down. Graf in the backfield. Graf rolling left side. Graf in his end zone. 20 seconds to go. Fires right side for Fanta Chugger. And Fanta Chugger gets out of bounds after gaining 22. 16 seconds to go in the first half. Here we go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Graf going deep side. Left end zone. Left side of the end zone. Incomplete. 6 seconds now to go. Here we go. 6 seconds. We're probably going to see the toss-up here, folks. And yeah, that's exactly what we're going to see. No time left here in the first half. Graf. Just going to toss it up for the end zone here. This one is on the ground, and we got a halftime, folks. 28-14. Hurricanes up by 14 over the back-to-back national champion Georgia Bulldogs. Well, Graf is the better term to say. It wasn't Georgia when he won the back-to-back natties. That's a lot of letters, and I have no idea how to say that name, but thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. As we enter halftime, and the Hurricanes, they got a good lead right now. And we'll be waiting to see what happens here. As we're about to enter the second half, folks, so just before we do, we'd like to thank our friends over at Motion Pro for bringing us the introduction graphic you have seen here tonight and that transition graphic you just saw. As here we go now. Going straight into the second half. Georgia. Starting on offense. Mini-Mart, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. And this one will be a touchback for Georgia. Here we go. First down, Bulldogs. And we got a play clock extension here. Alright. I guess what we got that. Let's take a look at the predictions real quick. 66% on Miami, 34% on Georgia. Definitely more leaning towards Miami on the predictions, but still, it's closer than I've seen some predictions. I can't lie with you. It's closer than some, but not as far, but not a complete lopside like others. And continue to wait here, and we got the new play. And are we going to officially start? All right, here we go. Start of the second half here. First down for Georgia. Graf in the backfield. Graf. Left side of his end zone here. Graf. Deep shot. Left side. This one will be on the ground. Second and 15 for Georgia. Graf. Going around the backfield. Cutting back right side. Now in the end zone. Graf. Fires, deep shot left side. This one is incomplete. Third down. Third and 15 for Georgia. It's not looking good. Third down, Graf. You can't just throw everything deep every time. You got to get a first down here. Graf over the middle. Pass is caught. And it's only a gain of 10. Fourth down, Georgia. Fourth and 5 for the Bulldogs. And, all right, here we go. On fourth down for the Bulldogs. Fourth down here. Graf. Moving around in the backfield. Graf. Pressure over the middle. Wide open. Man, this one is caught. He's tripped up after he got the ball. Doesn't matter. First down, Georgia. Go. Graf with the run up the middle, gain of 9. Second down, Georgia. Second and 6. Graf rolling left side. Graf check down pass is caught. Gain of 13. Another first down for Georgia. Now inside of the red zone. Here we go. First down. Graf check down left side is caught. Gain of 8. Defender kind of bounced off of him right there as he made the tackle. Second and 7 for Georgia. Graf looking to get the first points of the second half, and he does! Touchdown, Georgia! Falcon, double quarter. Falcon with the touchdown grab right there for the Bulldogs. This one up. Good. 21-28. Miami up by 7 now. Now the Hurricanes going to be getting their first possession of the second half. And this will be a touchback. Here we go. First down here. Caden over the middle. Check down man completely missed that one. Second 15 here. And oh boy, somebody broke rule number 3. My favorite. Here we go. Deep shot left side here from Caden. It's caught by Whippa. What a first down. Gain of 60. First and goal. Caden in the backfield here. Caden rolling right side here. This one is caught! Touchdown! Yeah, extra point now. And this one up and good. 35-21. $35-21. And this one will be a touchback.
You didn't see it because I did the timeout very fast. That might be why.
First down now here for Georgia. Graff in the backfield. Graff rolling left side. Graff deep shot left side. This one is caught. Big first down for the Bulldogs.
All I'm saying is if you go to the about section on my Twitch section real quick and go look at rules of watching and go look at number 3, you'll see why
I timed him out. Anyways, Georgia with a touchdown. Graff with the run up the middle. Back to a one-possession game now.
It's the second one.
And so, oh, blocked! No good.
You're never gonna know.
Never gonna know. And this one will be a... Oh, did the return man miss? The return man missed it. All right. Here we go. Touchback for Miami. Back on offense. If the Bulldogs are able to stop them without points, then they're back in this game. They're not down by 2 possessions, but Miami once again gets another touchdown. 2-possession game once again. Gain of 5 right there for the Hurricanes. 2nd and 10. And we're going to say spike it here. All right, so we got a spike. And we're going to get a play clock extension here. I think it's up. They're going to try and fix the clock. Didn't see anything about a challenge, so it's probably the clock is why we got this play clock extension. That's my guess. Alright, here we go. First down, Miami. Second down, Miami. My bad. 2nd and 10 here for the Hurricanes. Caden in the backfield. Caden in the end zone. Caden rolling left side. A low pass right there by Caden. Looks like it could have been intercepted. 3rd and 10 for Miami. Well, apparently it's 4th down. Alright. Changes to 4th down. And this one is caught! And gain a knot. Okay, they fixed it. 2nd down. Okay, 3rd and inches now. I'm very confused what the actual thing is now. Is it 4th and inches? Like, they keep changing it. They keep changing the down thing. I'm very confused. 4th and inches for Miami, I guess. No, 3rd and inches. I'm very confused. Just keep it on one of them. Alright. 4th and inches for Miami. 4th down here. Caden in the backfield. Caden, you don't need much here, man. You just need something. Fires left side to Behet, and Behet with the first down for the Hurricanes. Now he's trying to get some moves, and he'll get a gain of 35. First down now here for Miami. Running the clock out here in the 3rd. Caden rolling right side. Caden looking to find somebody. Goes left side. This one incomplete. Not a great looking pass right there from Caden. Can't lie, folks. 2nd and 15 now. Caden in the backfield. Caden rolling right side. Caden. So he might have had a wide open check down man left side. He'll run it instead. And gets 18. First down, Miami. first and goal for the Hurricanes. First and goal. Caden in the backfield. Caden looking for somebody. Caden goes left corner. This one on the ground. Second and goal. This one is incomplete again. Third and goal, Miami. Here we go. Third and goal. Caden goes to the end zone. Tipped again. Fourth down. We go to the fourth quarter, folks. 1-0. The Hurricanes are 1-0. It is fourth and goal for the Hurricanes. Caden rolling left side. A long pass. Intercepted. Touchback, Georgia. I think he was playing with fire right there. I mean, that close to the goal line. It's a miracle that counted as a touchback. First down now, Georgia. Here we go. First and 15 here for the Bulldogs. Graf in the backfield. Graf over the middle. Pass is caught. Gain 23. First down, Georgia. Here we go. First down here for Georgia. Now in the fourth quarter here, folks. First down. Graf in the backfield. Graf looking to find somebody. Graf rolling left side. Graf. That's for the sidelines. Second and 15. Graf in the backfield. Graf fires left side. Pass is caught. Gain of 13. Third and 1. Third and 1. Graf will just take it himself, and he gets it. First down, Georgia. Here we go. First down here for the Bulldogs. Graf rolling left side. Graf looking to find somebody. Graf over the middle. Pass is caught, and he gets tripped up. Gain of 7. Second down, Georgia. Second and 8 here. Graf fires left side. Pass caught. And will be a gain of 13. First down, Georgia. Looked like he was able to get back up for... I think he got back up. Well, if it was on for a little bit, then got tackled. Graf with the gain of 10. Second and 5 for Georgia. Second and 5. Graf rolling left side. Graf looking to find somebody. Graf goes left corner. It is incomplete. Those feet were not in bounds. Third and 5. Here we go. Third and 5. Graf looking to find somebody here. Graf rolling right side. Graf. Pressure. Almost hit. That's low. Incomplete. Fourth down. Here we go. Fourth and 5 for Georgia. This one is caught. Touchdown, Bulldogs. Fanta Chugger with a touchdown grab. Here we go. The 2-point attempt works. We're tied. .35. 2:48 to go. Hurricanes now back on offense. Here we go now. Touchback for Miami. Here we go. First down for Miami. Caden rolling right side. Caden looking to find somebody here. Caden deep shot right side. This one is tipped. Incomplete. Second and 15 here. Caden in the backfield. Caden Fires left side, passes, caught by Whippa, and Whippa dives, gets 11. Third down, Hurricanes. 3rd and 4. Caden, looking to find somebody here. Caden, pressure rolling right side. Caden, deep shot right side. This one is caught! First down, Miami! We got a 1st and goal now for the Hurricanes. Caden, rolling left side. Fires right corner! Got it! Touchdown, Miami! Kim with the touchdown grab. Extra point attempt now is blocked! No good. 41-35. Here we go. This one up and will be touchback for Georgia. Here we go. 1st down for Georgia. Graf rolling right side. Graf, deep shot right side. They're going to tie it back up. No, incomplete. Second and 15 here. Here we go. Deep shot left side here for Georgia. This one is caught. Touchdown, Bulldogs! We are tied at 41. Extra points is up. Good. 42-41. Georgia leads. Hurricanes down by 1. This one will be turned here for the Bulldogs. Well, for the Hurricanes. It's the 20. Here we go. 1st down, Miami. 1:20 to go, and all they need's 1. Well, actually, no, all they need's 2. Anyways, 1st down here. Deep shot left side. Incomplete. Second and 15. Caden, rolling right side. Caden, pressure, looking to find somebody. Caden, deep shot left side. It is incomplete again. 3rd down, Miami. We're about to get the woman a warning. 3rd and 15 here. Caden fires left side, pass caught, and Whippa gets the 1st down, gain of 18. We've reached the 1 minute warning here, folks. Here we go. 1st down, Miami. Here we go. Caden fires left side. That's for the sidelines right there. 2nd and 15 for Miami. 2nd down. Caden rolling right side. Caden fires right side. Passes. Caught! And he's taken down. Gain of 58. I was wondering if he was going to go into the end zone. Timeout, Georgia. I think they realize they go in. That's a lot of time for Graf. So now they're going to try and waste the clock. 1st and goal. Caden moving around the backfield here. Caden, pressure. He's just got to stay in field goal range. He goes right corner. Incomplete. 20 seconds. All Caden has to do is stay in field goal range, and the Hurricanes win. 2nd and goal here. Caden, pressure. Moving around. Fires right corner again. Illegal touch. 3rd and goal, Miami. 13 seconds left. It's at this point where you ask yourself, do you go in the end zone or do you go for 4th and goal? Left corner this time. Incomplete. Well, it looks like they went 4th and goal. They got 7 seconds. And they just need a field goal. The field goal attempts here for the Hurricanes. If they get this, they take the lead. And they got it! 5 seconds. And Miami takes the lead. 42-44. But can Graf work with this? That is the question on everybody's mind. Can Graf work with 5 seconds? Pass left side, gets out of bounds, 3 seconds. 2nd and 6, 3 seconds. I don't think they can get it this time. I think it's toss time for Georgia. Final play of the game here, folks. On 2nd and 6, Graf. Rolling left side. Graf. Deep shot. They missed the earlier one. Do they get this one? This one is on the ground. It's over. Miami Hurricanes win 44-42. I forgot to change the team thing over. Here we go. The Hurricanes win, and we'll go 2-0. And the Bulldogs go 1-2 in Series 4. Your MVP is Caden. What a game. What a way to end it. The field goal wins it for Miami. And Georgia, they had the opportunity, but they couldn't get it. Well, folks, I think that is where we'll wrap it up here for you. Final score, Hurricanes 44, Bulldogs 42. That is where we will end it here for you tonight. Representing Team Ocean, I am the Cowboy Crab, saying so long, everybody.